Dramatic black and white background in Capcut. So if you want to get a dramatic black and white background in your Capcut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Capcut application, and you can go with an existing project or simply tap on new project and select the video in which you would like to add a black and white background. So for example, I'll be choosing a video, and after that go with add, which is on the bottom right. Now you need to simply swipe right and then go with filters. Under filters, you need to swipe right again and go with the mono option. Under mono, you can simply choose the black and white. So I'll be choosing black and white 2. And after that, go with the tick, which is on the upper right. Once you've done that, now make sure that you've not selected anything. And you need to tap on add overlay option. Tap on add overlay and again select the same video that you've just added. Allow and resize it. And after that, you need to swipe right and you will have an option of cutout or remove BG. Tap on it and tap on auto removal. Once you've added the overlay, you can simply resize it, and once you've resized, you need to simply go with remove background or cutout option. Tap on remove background and then go with auto removal, and your background has been removed. You can play and you can see that you will have the black and white background in your video. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.